Tanks are meant to take a heavy punch and preferably only suffer little to no damage. This capability is however heavily dependent on the area and angle of the attack, with previous threats being from the front or side at ground level. These sections are the most heavily armored, but with drone warfare being able to strike the least protected areas, which are usually between the turret and chassis of the tank and the back section, these locations has become prime targets, making sometimes only a single drone strike result in a completely destroyed tank, either causing the ammunition or as seen here the fuel to catch fire, destroying another tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.